In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIFs to your Shopify store on any page. GIFs are a fantastic way to add a little extra flair and personality to your website. They can help capture the attention of your visitors and make your pages more dynamic and engaging. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process and get those GIFs up and running on your Shopify store. First, we need to locate the page where you want to add your GIF. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're inside your dashboard, head over to the left menu and click on Online Store. From there, you'll find a sub-menu. Go ahead and select Pages. This will bring up a list of all the pages you have on your store. Choose the one where you'd like to add your GIF by clicking on its title. This will open the page editor. Now that you're in the page editor, look for the section where you'd like to place your GIF. This is usually a text box or content area. If you want to insert your GIF at a specific point in your text or content, make sure to place your cursor exactly where you want it to appear. Before we go any further, let's have your GIF ready. You might have already downloaded it on your computer, or you could be using a link from an online source like Giphy. Both methods work, but let's go over how to use a link for ease and cleanliness. With the link to your GIF ready, return to the page editor. In the Content section toolbar, you should spot an icon that looks like a little photo of a mountain. Click on that. This is the Insert Image tool. When you click it, a new window will pop up. Now in this window, switch to the URL tab, and here you can paste your GIF's URL. If you're uploading the file directly from your computer instead, go to the Select Image tab and upload the file from your device. Once you have it there, hit the Insert Image button or the equivalent command. If the GIF isn't quite fitting your page, you might need to adjust its size. You can do this by clicking once on the inserted GIF to select it, then dragging one of the corners. This will allow you to scale the image up or down without distorting its proportions. The final step is to save your changes and preview your page to ensure everything looks just the way you want it to. Simply hit the Save button at the top right corner of the page editor. Then, take a moment to click on the View Page link and check out your handiwork in action on your live site. And there you have it. Congratulations, you've successfully added a GIF to your Shopify store. Adding such vibrant and interactive elements can truly transform your visitors' browsing experience. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Happy customizing!